The White House announced the drug remdesivir has shown real promise as a treatment for coronavirus patients. But a bigger advancement will come when drug makers find a vaccine. And the Trump administration is taking steps to speed up that process. CBS 4's Natalie Brand has more details from the White House.
The FDA is working on an emergency use authorization for the drug remdesivir to treat COVID-19 patients.
The data shows that remdesivir has a clear-cut, significant positive effect in diminishing the time to recovery.
Clinical trials in the U.S. show hospitalized patients who took the drug recovered in 11 days compared to 15 for those given a placebo, a 31% improvement.
Although a 31% improvement doesn't seem like a knockout 100%, it is a very important proof of concept.
CBS News has also learned the White House has launched Operation Warp Speed, an initiative to fast-track the manufacturing of leading vaccine candidates.
Don't wait to see which works or which wins the bake-off. Start making the lead candidates now, so when the data are there, the next day we can roll it out across the country. It's key to think forward.
For the third day in a row, President Trump is meeting with a state governor. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy visited the White House this morning. The president has been talking with governors about their plans to reopen states. Governor Murphy says he wants to discuss testing and financial assistance for states.
I know that he wants to talk about a number of issues, but he also wants to, he's saying, I'm going to reopen some golf clubs this weekend, for example, in New Jersey. We're going to slowly open different industries.
CBS News has confirmed a report that economic advisors on the Reopening Council sent a memo saying they believe these 9 states will lead an economic recovery. President Trump is scheduled to travel to one of those states, Arizona, next Tuesday. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
And President Trump will visit a mask manufacturing facility in Phoenix. It will be his first trip outside of Washington, D.C. in a month.